Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how we can give delete access to the employee. So just have a look. So from the HR management access control list, I will go to the Neha Pauls. So I have created few employees here, and if I scroll down here, you can see this much access I have given to her. Now let's log in for this employee login ID, and you need to enter the password. Then here, uh, so I will search here one customer, or you if I given her search access, I need to check. So the search customer I have given to her. Okay, so in admin login, I need to check the what customers I have assigned to her. So here I will click, and if I click here Neha Paul F-14. So these all are assigned 8 records assigned to her. Now I will go to this login and search F-14, and now I will, here you can see this customer, and she can search this customer loan number 18, but she is not able to search also. So I need to go to admin login, and I need to give search access to her. Search loan, search loan access, and one access is delete loan also we need to give. So delete loan. So both the access we have given. Now I will go to this login, and let's check if she is able to search loan. So we need to just sign out once and log in again. Password. So here I will search loan number 18. Here you can see she can search this loan from her login, and if she wants to delete this loan, she can delete from here. So it's asking the permission. If you click yes, loan will be deleted. So this type we can give delete access to employee. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day.